Hey everyone, so it's a quick demo of CourseDeploy. Essentially, we allow teachers to deploy micro courses that allow students to learn a specific topic in a personalized way within a short period of time, like a week. And here how the teacher does it. They go to the teacher section, they create a module name. So let's say, something like fractions, and they have to specify how good they want their students to get. The way they do that is they give us an example list of questions, so the student should be able to answer by the end of the week. So let's say there are three. So the teacher might say something like, "Hey, I want them to be able to answer 5 by 6 plus 7 by 8, or 7 by 8 minus 2 by 3." Just like that. So give us a few example questions, submit the module. It takes a little time, and we generate the module. And what we do is we train students to answer these kinds of questions in a guided way. Not these exact questions, these kind of questions. So let's show you what that looks like. So we've made two modules here as a demo, fraction Python basics. So let's do the Python basics one. I'm gonna I want to simulate two students. You can see that it's actually happening in a personalized way. So let's go one here. Let's go one on the right. Let's say one. Okay, and I'm going to simulate two students. Let's make the student on the left get the answer right. So I'm going to import math def, it's a circumference. Let's say let's call this, a radius. Okay, 2 times math dot pi times r, and this should be the circumference of a circle. Um, if I press submit, it should tell me I'm correct. And what you'll notice here is we go to a different type of questions. We go to learning about classes. We learned about functions, and we learn about classes. Now on the right, let's look at another student. Let's say here they make a bunch of mistakes. Let's say they call this variable radius. They don't know what this is called. They don't know what math is. So yeah, let's say this student writes this function, and now they submit this. What's going to happen? So this is wrong. We're going to guide them gradually. We're going to say, hey, what variable should you use to represent radius in the formula? Right? We shouldn't use r. We should actually use radius here. So over time they keep practicing the question. Let's say after some time they get it correct. Okay, basically we one by one guide them to every mistake until they get it correct. Now let's say they submit it once they get it right, they submit it. They're correct. Good job. Now we take them to the next question. But notice how both students get a different next question based on the first student we think is good at functions, so we skip to teaching them about classes. The second student we still think they might not fully understand variables as well because they made a mistake. We create a new question the teacher has not given to help them learn about functions. We keep doing this till the student on the right who might be weak at functions gets good at it. And for the next student, we continue until we find the topic they are weak at. And in this way, we think we can help each student get to the level of mastery the teacher wants in a personalized way for each individual topic. Awesome. There you go. That's the demo. Thank you, guys.